What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the screen rotation not working issue in your Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down this white circle, and when the circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. Now after restarting your phone, the screen rotation will start working. But if you're still facing the issue, then open Play Store, go to the search bar and search for the sensor test app. Now install this sensor test app, and after installing, tap on open. Now test for the accelerometer, so tap on test, and then to test the accelerometer you can tap on this question mark to view the description of the test. So tilt the device, and if the ball is following the tilt, it means your sensor is working. But if the ball is not moving according to the tilt, then your sensor is not working. Now you can test it by tilting the screen. So you can see ball is moving according to the tilt. So if your ball is not moving, then fix your sensor, and after fixing the sensor, the screen rotation will start working properly. So that's how you can fix the screen rotation not working issue in your Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.